friends, so this is the class 6 video and the fourth chapter, in which chapter we study about to the sorting. What do you mean by sorting? Sorting is the method by which we separated according to the characteristic. Now, next point is that material. Have you known about the materials? So, let's discuss about the materials. All things which are found in our surrounding is known as material. And the substances is known as matter. So now the next point is that what do you mean by the matter? What is the actual definition about the matter? Matter is the things which takes place and have a mass is known as the matter. For example, this pen have a mass and it is also takes place in our palm. So this is called the matter. And the things which takes place and have a mass is known as matter. So there are three kinds of the matter. First is solid, second is liquid, third is gases. So we have observed there are three kinds of the matter in our surrounding. For example, water exit in a liquid state, air exit in a gaseous state, and all things such as the table, chair, carpet, bed, fan, etc. These are exit in a solid state. Solid may be two types: rigid solid and fluid solid. The solid which have a hard structure is known as the rigid solid, and the solid which have fluid or loosely packed structure is known as the fluid solid. So got it? So now have you observed when you go to market in the vendors or shop of the kirana, you observe that the soaps are arranged in a one columns and oils are arranged in a one columns and paste etc. There are various kinds of the articles are present in a shop of the kirana and they are arranged in a systematic orders. This is known as the systematic. The systematic order is known as the sorting. So sorting. A systematic order of the materials which is easy to handle and study is known as Short. Now second topic is this classification. Arrange the matter, the materials according to the similar property similar properties of materials is known as classification. For example, in our school, we classified the students according to their education, not to their height and weight. And when we play the tug and war, we classify the students according to the weight. And when we play the football match, we classify according to their height wise. So football and volleyball matches, we play the according to classify the students according to the height wise. So there are the various steps or method to classification of the materials and objects. Got it? Now so one point is that how is the matter is formed. For example, why which particles is used to making the pen and ink, and this have an also the form. So the things, the particles, the tiny particles. What do you mean to the particle? Particle is the tiny structure of a matter. The tiny particles which is used to form matter is known as atom. First point is atom cannot be created nor be destroyed. It cannot be, sorry, atom can't be created nor be destroyed. It means it cannot be formed by the chemically or physically method via the chemical and physical method of the atoms. For example, when you iron particles is heated, it cannot be converted into the another atoms. Iron stay iron, gold stay in a gold state, silver stay exist in a silver state. Got it? So it it may be occur that its position or states can be changes. Their shapes also change. They never stay a fixed state or fixed position. For example, iron state in a solid structure and multi-state structure, and maybe exit in a rust or dusted structure. And second, atom cannot be divided into further. Atom cannot be divided into similar form. are used to making the various product. So atoms are help in a chemical or chemically process or physically process to making the various types of the product. So now next is that kinds of matter. Matter exists in a two states: pure, impure. Pure also exists in a two state: element. Second is the compound. Now this is also exists in a two state: homogeneous, heterogeneous. This is also known as a mixture: homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution. So now one point is left. What is the uses of the sorting? Sorting is used to easily study. Use of sorting. Number is it helps in sorting the object. Number two, make easier to observe which is save time. Third, easily to study. To understand the similarity and dissimilarity. Between two objects. So there are the uses of the sorting. For example, you observe in the chemist shop, there are the various solution of the chemicals as a medicine. Uh, how the chemist easily to handle the shop, sorry, easily to handle the customer to given the solution or a medicine. They are classify the object according to the similarity and the solution or alphabetical orders. So that's why they have short times and save the time to do next work in the future. Okay, next, kinds of the materials. Materials are two kinds. First is the naturally metal, natural metal, or second is the artificial metal or materials. For example, natural metal, stones, iron, cobalt, etc. These are the naturally metals. And materials and the artificial materials such as chair decks, etc. and cloths, they are the kinds of the artificial metals. Okay. So next video on the next day. And if you have any doubts in these topics, you have to consult with me. And you have to remember that YouTube will be start on the next week or in this month. So you have to study one by one or topic wise topic according to the books. If you not understands in this book, then you consult with me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.